And the Assam Legislative Assembly on Friday passed the controversial Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 amidst bedlam in the House, with the opposition members staging a walkout after their demand to send the draft to a select committee wasn't even considered.
ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির সদস্য হিসাবে আমার মিত্র দলৰ সদস্য হিসাবে
Assam's much-hyped Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 being passed in the State Assembly amid bedlam, with the opposition members staging a walkout. The bill has some stringent provisions on cattle slaughter and sale of beef. Cattle can only be slaughtered with government permission and only in licensed slaughterhouses. Cattle younger than 14 years can't be slaughtered. No transportation of cattle is permitted without permit. According to the bill, beef can't be sold or purchased in areas where most residents belong to Hindu, Jain, Sikh or other non-beef eating communities. No sale and purchase of beef is permitted within 5-kilometer radius of any temple, shatra or any other Hindu religious institution. The bill has penal provisions as well. Violators can be jailed for up to 8 years. And no bail for accused until public prosecutor has been heard.
Now, if a beef eating person do not eat beef in the premises or in a radius of 5 kilometers of a non-beef eating community, then there will be no class.
The opposition had asked for 75 amendments to the bill and wanted it to be sent to the select committee for deliberation, but their demand wasn't considered. They say the bill will hit rural economy.
और बीजेपी और ये बीजेपी और आरएसएस का जो गवर्नमेंट है, इस गवर्नमेंट ने तो मुसलमान के खिलाफ ये बिल लाया है ना, लेकिन हम लोग का लॉस ज्यादा होगा.
So we demanded that since we are not expert, there are expert in rural economy. So we demanded that to have a in-depth study about all these effects. Let the bill be sent to the select committee.
उनका संख्या है ज़बरदस्ती कर लिया, लेकिन आसाम के जो जिनके पास ये हमारे फार्मर्स हैं, जिनके पास कैटल है, उनको बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा, इकोनॉमी के लिए बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा.
The government claims this bill will also stop the menace of illegal smuggling of cows between Assam and Bangladesh. Some legal experts, however, believe the bill may have to pass a legal scrutiny if challenged in court.
Sure that this bill will be challenged in the Guwahati High Court regarding its constitutional validity.
The bill was first proposed by Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi in his welcome speech on the day one of the assembly. He had said it was needed to protect the sacred animal that provides us with life-sustaining milk. The bill now awaits Governor's nod to replace the existing 1950 law. In Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.